welcoming all to a new episode of the Educator Daily Show. Today we are going to discuss the difference between Bachelor of Commerce BCom and Bachelor of Computer Application BCA, and we will try to understand which will be better for your case, which UG Bachelor course you can pursue. UG Bachelor courses are very important and are the defining moments for most of us. The kind of education which we receive till 10th and after 10th, plus 1 and plus 2 or PUC or PTC, whichever you call, all are different kinds of education we are getting, mostly academic. But as we get more into UG course and try to understand exactly how these courses are designed, how the syllabus are formed, we can see a kind of professionalism. So here too you are going to see through BCom and through BCA, two different kinds of professionalism. Before entering to understand the exact differences, let me disclose this in the beginning only, that 14 parameters we are going to take and BCom and BCA will be compared against with. After end of this discussion, you should be in a position to decide whether you have to follow BCom or BCA, which will be better, or maybe there are other courses which will be more suitable for your case. So first one is how long it takes to study, that is the duration of the course. So when we take Bachelor of Commerce BCom, it is a 3-year course, that is 6 semesters. 2 semesters will fall for 1 year. And BCA Bachelor of Computer Application, here too you are going to see 3 years, that is 6 semesters. 2 semesters per year. Second question comes whether distance education is possible for these two courses. That is, without going to the campus, you can learn these courses from a distance, especially for the working professionals and housewives. They can use this opportunity only for examination and labs. Practicals you can go and attend. Otherwise, it will be your self-education. And obviously you will get all the study materials and online classes. Yes, even BCom and BCA both have this option of distance education. Third point is who can study these courses, that is the eligibility, which makes for BCom and BCA. For Bachelor of Commerce BCom should be plus 2 pass, 50% minimum mark. Humanities, commerce, even science students can opt for this course provided you have maths and English in your subject list. When it goes for Bachelor of Computer Application BCA, you should be plus 2 pass, 50% mark needed. Humanities, commerce, even science students can go for this course. Maths and English subjects are better to be included. It will give an advantage for you. Fourth question, BCom and BCA, in which category it falls? Obviously, BCom is an academic as well as educational course, and when it comes to BCA, it is a professional course. That is, towards a particular profession, you are going to earn this degree or your UG course. Obviously, in the field of computer technology. But for BCom, when it's said that it is academic or education degree, meaning here no particular profession oriented polishing is happening through the syllabus. When you compare BCom with BSc or BA, it is more towards professionalism. Fifth question or the parameter will be the types of courses, that is in which all format you can earn BCom and BCA courses. BCom can be earned through BCom General, BCom Professional, BCom Honors and BCom with LLB, that is a law UG course, and BCA can be studied with BCA or BCA Honors options. And there are changes, that is BCom General, BCom Professional and BCom Honors, all are different. And if you are really interested to know what are the differences, we can make another episode listing out the differences and highlighting which option will be better for you. Even honors program, what is the difference between a normal general degree program and honors, that also can be discussed in a different episode. Now the sixth parameter will be to understand core subjects in BCom as well as BCA. For BCom, you can see core subjects, the main subjects as business management, finance, accounting, statistics, economics and marketing. That is a combination of commerce, finance, accounting, even business management subjects you can see here. When it comes to BCA, that is Bachelor of Computer Application, fundamentals of IT and computers, C language, operating system and fundamentals, introduction to Linux, web designing, data structures, object-oriented programming, Python, C++, C, Java, application development. Many subjects core are related to computer technology you can see here. Now the seventh point, the seventh parameter against which we can compare BCom and BCA is where you can work. That is the specialization you are going to see after your UG program. So for BCom it will be accounts and finance, economics, investment management, banking and insurance, financial market, taxation, human resources, law, information management and marketing. If you come to the other side of discussion, that is BCA, you can see subjects like e-commerce, multimedia, cybersecurity, ethical hacking, artificial intelligence, computer graphics, programming languages, variety of them, database management, stock market and insurance and banking. So you can see much of variety and differences in specializations. Now the eighth parameter, who should study these courses? When it comes to BCom, those who are interested in commerce, financial transactions, accounting and business management, a good option for them is BCom. And those who are interested in computer technology, information technology, all those tools and techniques and technologies, obviously BCA is a good option for you. The 10th parameter is higher education, which all formats of higher education available for these two UG bachelor programs. For BCom, you can do your MBA in variety of fields. MCom you can do, obviously. MCA, especially if you have done BCom in IT, that is information technology, you can go for MCA. So it is kind of a crossover from commerce field to computer field. Another option is interesting MA, Master of Arts. That is MA you can do in such subjects where you have studied certain subjects in your BCom program which can be linked to this MA specialization. And for BCA you can do MBA, MCA, MS, MA, especially in those subjects you studied in your BCA programs, and that can be linked through MA program. That is some subjects related to computer technology, then you can do MA in that particular specialization. 11th parameter, that is career prospects, in which all profile you can plan your career for BCom and BCA. Here you can take first BCom, tax consultant, auditor, stock broker, export import manager, accountant, finance consultant, banker and insurance consultant. So here all you can plan your profile. Much more profiles can be listed, but I'm limiting only to major ones. And for BCA, computer programmer, software developer, system analyst, network engineer, system admin, software architect and software tester. So these are the profiles you can do after your BCA, or you can plan your career accordingly. The 12th parameter will be the salary scale, in which way or the kind of salary you can expect or you can plan for. For BCom, 3 lakh per annum to 6.5 lakh per annum you can get it. And here one point should be very much highlighted is about your certifications. As we know, BCom is not a professional course as it is. So you have to make it professional through certain certification program. So to get initial jobs, offerings and opportunities, obviously you have to do certain certifications that will be much better. Here you can take opportunity to certify in CMA India, CMA USA, CA, even ACCA and tons of other courses we can discuss in another episode. If you are interested, let me know in the comment box. And for the BCA, 4 lakh per annum to 10 lakh per annum you can get it. So for BCA is seen as an alternate to Bachelor of Technology BTech in Computer Science Engineering, also as a superior course of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. So BCA is falling somewhere in between BSc Computer Science and BTech Computer Science Engineering. If you're really interested to know what are the differences among these courses, we can do another episode. We can understand differences and we can make an intelligent decision after going through that episode. Now the 13th parameter is the top employers in the industry. If you have done your BCom, banks, international and nationally acclaimed, Accenture, Capgemini, TCS, Genpact, Ernst & Young, Wipro, Cognizant, Flipkart, Deloitte, all are major employers. You can plan your job in those companies. Another name is given Big Four. Here you can find again Deloitte, PwC, Ernst & Young and KPMG. So these four companies together called Big Four. Here most of BCom graduates or those who have done BCom after that certification or maybe PG also, they are finding good job opportunities. And when it comes to BCA holders, Google, Microsoft, IBM, HP, HCL, TCS, Wipro, Infosys, Cognizant, Deloitte. So major national, international computer technology related giants you can see here, they are major employers. Now the last parameter in this discussion we have is to understand who should not study or why you should not pick this course. First we will take BCom. Those people, those students who are not interested to work or to go through a career in commerce and business, better you avoid taking BCom. So BCom is planning for a deep dive into the world of commerce, accounting and financial management. And who should not study BCA? Those who are not interested in computer technology, programming, testing, related all those matters, BCA is not a good option for you. So friends, this is the Educated Daily Show. Here we discussed the difference between BCom and BCA and we tried to understand what all are the 14 parameters across which we can compare BCom and BCA. I hope sincerely after watching this episode you might have made your mind whether to go for BCom or BCA. Let me know what is your decision and which course you feel better and reason why you picked that particular course. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.